absolute demolished. There's the hospital way off in the distance over there, but look at that. This is where people were hurt and killed, I'm here to tell you. Yeah, the no bark always says that it's 200 miles an hour, so it's pushing F5 right here, EF5.
Yeah, they said this is the devastation part of it. This is the white one. The white part. I want to say this is right around this.
Well, yeah, it's just past the hospital. See, look, there's the hospital right over there behind that big thing. So if that's the hospital, we're sitting about right here, I'd say. Yeah, see, there's the widest part. We're right at the widest part right here, where they said it was about a half mile. I think they kept saying mile, but I think it's more like a half mile. It's big enough, I'm here to tell you. This didn't knock over a barn.
Look at the electric.
Wow.
We can go bodies. Oh no, they said they were out in the middle of the road.
Well, they were finding them and putting them out in the middle of the road, out in the open, so they could be found and claimed. I mean, there's just no way to not get hurt or killed in this. Look at that. Oh no, you're kidding me. Look at that. You see that skyline like that, it's just... I gotta get it.
I wish I had a freaking zoom on this phone. Nope.
I do, but mine doesn't work when I am in video mode.
Intersection is backed up and cars almost to the left. Westbound traffic is backed up.
I've been down there many times. I cannot recognize anything.
That's not long enough for anybody to get through.
You always turn towards your side.
Okay, I'll turn towards your side.
What does that place used to be? Is that the electric department? Yeah, that's a substation, ain't it?
What I would advise with someone who might know better, you're there. If you need to step out there and do what you need to do to get things running is what I would say.
I don't know what the green means on the X.
That one. And then I suppose once you get everybody kind of the congestion gone and you know what the lights not toward the end, that might work. But
I don't know if the color.
Maybe we just need to go ahead and direct that to get that cleaned up if you want. That's what I would suggest. Do you agree? Yeah, I agree. All right, thank you.
I got that. Well, that's not the high school.
No, this ain't the
Obviously,
high school.
this would be like an older elementary, probably.
The high school. High school is off of.
It's on farther that way, down off 20th, wasn't it? Remember?
Yeah.
We drove past it yesterday, going to the other assignment. The local school, new playground. Look how wide it got. See how it went back that way?
Oh, yeah.
To the left. Look at that.
Go ahead.
See, all this was on the streets, obviously. They've come down with motors and stuff to clear all this off. They've had to.
What is that? That's
a little teddy bear laying out there in the middle. probably was at one time. I don't see no signs, so I think we're legal. Go back that way. I think this is more our area. Back over this way. Oh, Jesus. On the top of that school. Irving School.
Oh, hell.
The other side of the apartment there.
Your street man, water and safety units at 32nd West Drive. And I think there's a 32nd Arizona, I believe.
Yeah, but
CJC. What does CJC mean?
Just want to cover. Let me get it.
I'm not sure. I know what it is. I can't think of it.
Here's like a good neighbor. State Farm is there. Ready? 1, 2. Right? I missed the tire. There's a wheelchair. Oh, go up that street. Go up that street for real. Look at this. Honey, you need a dishwasher or a mattress? Used car.
Yeah, this is definitely the most devastated.
It is. Right here, right by the hospital is. It looks like it was stronger right here. Just because it's more blasted. It looks... Look at that crib. That's frightening. See that baby crib right there?
Yep.
Wow.